Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create tab islands in Opera GX. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to go open your Opera GX browser. And as you can see right now, I created a new tab right here. I removed it from these two new tabs. But you can't do this. You can add it back just like in Google Chrome. So what you can do is to create a workspace. So let's close this. And let's type in again two tabs. Now what you want to do is click here in settings. Now search for workspace. And as you can see, there's a setting here that says enable workspaces. So click on it. Now close it. So now right here, you will see workspace 1. So just right click on it. Now click on manage workspaces. So now as you can see, I have two workspace right here. So what you want to do is just add a new one. So let's say workspace 3. Let's add new two Twitch sites. So to manage or create a group tabs, what you can do is click here on YouTube. Now press Control on your keyboard. You want to press and hold Control on your keyboard and click on the other YouTube tab. So as you can see, the two YouTube tabs is now highlighted. Now simply right click. Now add to work. You can click here on move tabs to workspace and select the workspace where you want to move this. So click on workspace 2. And as you can see, those two tabs, it's now grouped into workspace 2. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.